We recently got a dryer as a gift, and we're gonna create a dryer table for it. This will allow us to stack, as you can see here. Let's begin. So here are the list of materials. Some chipboard of your choice, no less than 16 mil thick. Angle bars, corner braces, screws, plastic feet, and rubber feet. Put some masking tape at the edges. This will prevent the wood from splitting. Next, add the feet in. This will prevent the wood from getting water damage in case you get spills on the floor. These are just plastic feet you can get from any hardware store. So easy to do, even my son can do it. Here I'm just lining up the piece of wood and marking where I'll drill. Drill the holes you've marked. And then screw the angle bars. Attach the sides. This is what it should look like once done. I've attached the corner bracing here. This will prevent the wobble. Make sure you buy some rubber feet for your dryer to stop it from sliding. So yeah, this is the finished product. and it works perfectly.